So we can go ahead and get started. So, thank you so much for coming to the South Branch Library's annual puppet show. And this year, our puppet show stories are going to feature Pete the Cat and all his fun friends. We have quite a few. Now, all of our stories, our puppet shows, are based on children's books that are available for checkout in the library. However, they'll be available next week because I have them all checked out to me right now. So, we are going to get started again. Cell phones on silence. And then we can get started with our Pete the Cat and friends. You see him? Yes! Hi, Pete!
Hi, Miss Melissa.
You guys have to listen so we can hear what our puppets say. Wow, Pete, that is a very awesome shirt.
Thanks. Check out all my big, round, groovy buttons it has.
They are super fun. Let's count and see how many there are. Can you guys count with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 buttons, Pete. Those are awesome.
Thanks. I love my buttons so much. In fact, I love them so much, I made this song. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 4 groovy buttons.
Those are super groovy buttons, and they're really big, huh? Let's look at the first one. You guys know what color this is? Can you guys see that?
Green.
It's blue! Oh my gosh, Pete! I may have pulled your button off of your shirt. I'm so sorry.
It's okay,
Are you sure?
yeah. How many buttons are left?
Well, let's count. Let's see. We got 1, 2, 3. Because 4 minus 1 is how many? 3. There are 3 buttons left.
Buttons come and buttons go. I'm going to keep singing my song. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 3 groovy buttons.
Well, at least you still have 3 left, right?
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Well, what color is this next one? Can you guys see what color that is? It's purple, but... Oh, no, Pete, I'm so sorry. Another button came off.
How many are left?
2. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2. Because 3 minus 1 is 2. There are 2 buttons left.
That's okay, Miss Alyssa.
Are you
Buttons-
sure?
Yes. Buttons come and buttons go. I'm going to keep singing my song. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons. My buttons, my 2 groovy buttons.
Okay. Now, I want to look at these next ones, and I promise I'll be really careful. Okay?
Okay,
Careful.
I promise. Right? Because what color is this one? It's red. It is red. Oh my gosh. Pete, I'm so sorry. I don't know my own strength. I pulled another button off.
Okay, how many are left?
1. There's 1 button because 2 minus 1 is 1. Uh-oh.
Like I always say, buttons come and buttons go. I'm going to keep singing my song. My buttons, my 1 groovy button. My buttons, my 1 groovy button.
Whew, I think there's something wrong with Pete's shirt, right? It's not just me. But we got 1 button left, right? And it's one of my favorite colors. You guys see what color this button is? I'm going to be really easy, okay? Really easy. It's oh, no! I'm so sorry, Pete. I didn't mean to, but I pulled a button off. I'm sorry.
How many are left?
Well, 0.
Wait, no.
There are 0 buttons left on your shirt, Pete. What are we going to do?
Let me think.
Belly button.
Thinking. Miss Alyssa!
What?
I do have a button left.
Where? I don't see any buttons.
It's my belly button!
Oh my goodness, Pete, you're so silly.
Do you know what this means?
I guess we're gonna keep singing your song.
That's right. Are you ready?
You ready? You guys ready to sing? Okay.
My button, still have my belly button. My button, still have my belly button.